The automotive industry is undergoing a seismic shift. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are no longer a niche curiosity. They are rapidly becoming mainstream. This surge in EV adoption presents a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs, the burgeoning market for electric vehicle repair. As more and more EVs hit the road, the demand for skilled technicians who can diagnose, maintain, and repair these technologically advanced vehicles is skyrocketing. Traditional mechanics trained on internal combustion engines often lack the specialized knowledge required to work on EVs. This gap in the market is where your EV repair business can thrive. The electric revolution is gaining momentum, and with it comes an unprecedented need for qualified EV repair businesses. This is not just a passing trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we drive, presenting a unique and lucrative opportunity for those who get in on the ground floor. The profit potential of an EV repair business is substantial, driven by high demand and a limited supply of qualified technicians. EV repairs often command higher labor rates than traditional car repairs due to the specialized knowledge and equipment required. Starting an EV repair business does require an initial investment, but it can be manageable compared to other industries. Choosing the right location for your EV repair business is paramount to its success. Ideally, you'll want to set up shop in an area experiencing a rapid uptake of electric vehicles. Think urban centers, affluent suburbs, or regions with strong government incentives for EV adoption. Visibility is key. Look for premises with high traffic flow and good street frontage. This will help attract drive-by customers and increase awareness of your business. Proximity to major transportation routes or EV charging stations is also a significant advantage. Remember, you're not just fixing cars, you're becoming a part of the EV ecosystem. Choose a location that puts you in the heart of this exciting and rapidly growing market. While working on electric vehicles shares some similarities with traditional car repair, it also requires a new set of skills and knowledge. Fortunately, there are numerous courses and certifications available to help you and your team become proficient in EV repair. Look for programs that cover topics like high voltage systems, battery technology, electric motor repair, and EV-specific diagnostic procedures. Obtaining recognized certifications from reputable organizations can boost your credibility and attract customers who are looking for qualified technicians. Investing in ongoing education and training is key to staying ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving world of electric vehicles. Make sure to stay informed about the latest technological advancements and industry best practices. The Tesla effect: specializing in top brands. While offering general EV repair services is a great start, specializing in a particular brand or model can give you a competitive edge. Tesla, with its market dominance and loyal customer base, is an obvious choice for specialization. Becoming a Tesla-certified repair shop, for example, requires meeting specific criteria and undergoing rigorous training. However, it also comes with significant advantages, including access to Tesla parts, direct support from the manufacturer, and increased customer trust. Beyond Tesla, consider specializing in other popular EV brands like Chevrolet, Nissan, or BMW. Focusing on specific brands allows you to build expertise, streamline your inventory, and market your services more effectively to a targeted audience. In today's digital age, effective marketing is crucial for any business, and EV repair is no exception. Utilize a multi-pronged approach to reach potential customers where they are. A well-designed website is a must-have. It should clearly outline your services, certifications, and contact information. Social media platforms are excellent tools for engaging with the EV community, sharing updates, and running targeted advertising campaigns. Consider partnering with local EV charging stations, car dealerships, or even ride-sharing companies to offer exclusive discounts or promotions. Becoming an authorized warranty repair shop for major EV manufacturers is another powerful way to attract customers and build trust.